MATIC blockchain, everything you need to know. Ethereum is one of the most popular blockchains in the crypto space, but it has some serious issues associated. Apart from delayed transaction, i.e. a very low transaction speed, it has a very high gas fee, making it somewhat of a hassle. Well, folks, MATIC appears to have countered these issues. Before starting things off, let's take an insight into what MATIC actually is. MATIC is actually a token that deals with staking and transaction fees, etc. The network built around this token is known as Polygon. This platform or framework essentially creates interconnected blockchains that are compatible with Ethereum. If you're thinking of MATIC being a simple scaling solution, you are wrong. Although the earlier MATIC network processed transaction off-chain using a platform known as Plasma, Polygon has much more to offer. Instead of breaking the blockchain and then processing each part distinctly, Polygon enables interoperability, which basically means that you can access data from blockchains and operate them. Much like the TCP/IP protocol, this ingenious framework is based on 4 layers, namely the Ethereum Layer, Security Layer, Polygon Network Layer, and the Execution Layer. As its name implies, the Ethereum Layer enables a communication between Ethereum and a Polygon blockchain through a series of smart contracts. This and the Security Layer are optional, but help provide an extra layer of security. If you talk about the Polygon Network Layer, it is an entire ecosystem of blockchain networks with a separate community for each. In order to execute these smart contracts, Polygon's Ethereum virtual machine is run on the Execution Layer. Another one of Polygon's ambitious motives is to enable interaction with decentralized services without any hurdles. That's right, you don't need to have to overcome different walls or intermediates. As if it was not enough, they aspire to achieve these targets while simultaneously tackling certain obvious issues. They include, but are not limited to, poor scalability, lack of security, and a high gas fee, all of which Ethereum has. So, how is the Polygon team working towards these goals? How are they going to make these a reality? Polygon's primary chain, also referred to as a POS chain, is Ethereum's sidechain. What a sidechain fundamentally means is a distinct blockchain that operates side by side with the main chain. This basically adds a security level to blockchains. Plasma chains is another technology that is made up of plasma bridges that help maneuver sums between the base chains and the child chains. As an added support and booster to Ethereum, an optimistic rollup is adopted to enable swift transactions at insane speeds. Summarizing these technologies in one, we can clearly note an array of options being exploited just so scalability issues can be overcome. Are you finding this video helpful? If so, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for remaining up to date. As a token of appreciation, take a few seconds of your time to give this video a thumbs up. All right, let's carry on. This video is sponsored by BlockFi. BlockFi is an exchange where you can trade cryptocurrency. Apart from earning interest on your crypto, you can take out loans as well. Moreover, it allows you to earn 8% annually on your crypto reserves, which is 8 times the best savings account out there. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up now by clicking the link in the description. Okay, let's continue with our video. An instant question at this point would be as to why Polygon is the best option in place of other blockchains out there excluding Ethereum. That's true. There are other options that include, for example, Cosmos or Polkadot. Why not use those? In essence, this is what makes the Polygon framework so unique and special. Even if Cosmos and Polkadot have high security, a lower gas fee, or even moderately fast transactions, Polygon overcomes their issue of interoperability that was discussed earlier on. Cosmos, for example, can only run on the WASM-based virtual machine, but the star of today's episode, Polygon, can operate on the Ethereum virtual machine, making it a lot easier for those used to building apps on Ethereum. Seems intuitive enough, but is it worth it practically as well? Well, of course it is. A number of different projects are making use of the MATIC blockchain. This includes a loan borrowing and lending platform referred to as EasyFi, Aivagachi, a decentralized finance DeFi trading game, also adopts this framework. The game is based around non-fungible tokens, NFTs, as well. At this point, it is worth diving more into the MATIC token. Even though Polygon has expanded drastically beyond the MATIC network, MATIC is still used as a primary utility without which the framework wouldn't be of much use. Delving into the advantages of the MATIC token itself, we come to know that it not only provides security through staking, but also helps pay the gas fee and take part in the network governance by voting on PIPs. Here, PIPs are an abbreviation for Polygon Improvement Proposals. As for the time frame, Polygon is a young currency launched in February 2021. Its competitors could already see its potential way ahead of time, and perhaps that's why just a month later, Polkadot was to launch its public parachains. What the real hassle, however, was to try and be the first interoperability solution on the market. Coupled with plasma scaling and proof-of-stake chain, Polygon tried its best to win it, but unfortunately, no creator could publish their own or shared security chains until the mentioned features were fully released. So, what are your views of Polygon? Do you prefer some other blockchain? If so, why? If not, then according to you, what makes this one the best? Let us know in the comments down below. Once again, don't forget to like this video and share it as much as possible. Take care, and we will see you all soon. Adios!